Hello and welcome to Mechanic Manager. Mechanic Manager is a workshop management software that does all your invoicing, purchasing, your accounting, etc. and your service history obviously, and it's got your job cards. So I'll go straight into the invoice. The invoice looks like any other invoicing program, Quickbooks, MYOB, XERO, etc. Except it's got the vehicle details like the rego number, VIN number, odometer, month, year, make, model, next service date, etc. There's more. If you click on this tab here, vehicle detail, there's more detail on the vehicle. Okay, so to do an invoice, you can select the rego, a car, a vehicle via rego number or a customer name. So if you've got the rego number, you just type in A. There's a rego number there. So we'll select that. The customer name goes straight on the invoice. So there's the VIN number, odometer, month, last odometer reading, the make, model, etc. I'll click on 12. It'll do a service on 12 months after the invoice date today. It'll do a next service date 12 months after today's date. And with that date, when that date there comes, you can send out, it'll send out SMSs or emails telling the customer their vehicle is ready to be reserviced. So that brings in business for you. Now that's the invoice there. Very standard layout. If I want to add in a product or labor, so I type in labor there and put in an hour at $100, say. So it's 110. It's $10 GST. If I click on this little thing here, checkbox, sale price includes GST, so it's just $100. You can set that to default to include GST all the time or exclude GST all the time. If you want to put a part in, if you know the part number, you can type in the part number. If I type in A, there's an oil filter from Repco. You can also connect to Repco Navigator Pro, and if you've got an account with them, and get quotes and parts and that, insert them directly onto the invoice or the quote, and the purchase as well. So it's also integrated to QuickBooks, XERO, and MYOB. Very standard. To print the invoice, you just click on Save, Make Payment, Print or Email. You can make the payment. So if I select MasterCard, it'll just pay it off a MasterCard. You can get a report on where all your payments are coming from. You've got cash and that as well. You can email the invoice, and that's about it. So it's very simple. It's got a service history button here. So it's a service history for Fred Jones for that vehicle. There's all your service history. There's an invoice 231. If I click on invoice 2, there's invoice 2 there. That's what happened. So that's the service history, just straight on the invoice there. These are all the unpaid invoices. So you've got a list of unpaid invoices. When the customer comes in, you can just click on say Fred here. The invoice comes up, invoice 86, and you can just pay it off here by clicking that button and selecting the payment method. So it's very handy. You can you've also got a lookup invoice here, which you can look up on rego number, etc. Different search criteria. You can also search on a limited amount of search criteria here, like rego number, customer name, and the status, unpaid, all or paid. More limited than the search criteria up here on the lookup invoice anyway. And and you've got your visual inspection report, so you can change all these. You can say, I've checked the alternator, it's good. The battery needs attention. The fan belt needs urgent attention. You can print it with the invoice, or you can email it, and then the customer will come back and say, fix that, and fix that. That'll bring in more business as well. Very simple, very standard, nothing new, except that technology, it runs on the web, on any device from anywhere in the world. It's multi-user, and once you save an invoice, all the accounting is done for you automatically. The parts are accounted for, everything's accounted for. We're actually accountants and tax agents, so the accounting's pretty spot on. And it's got your balance sheet, profit and loss, trial balance, all in reports. You can email statements by rego or just general statements. You've got lots of reports. Okay, sales reports. You can email customer statements, just normal statements as well. You've got purchase reports, inventory reports, and that's about it. If you want to try it out for yourself, free demo, 14-day demonstration demo trial, you just go to mechanicmanager.com.au and click on free trial, or you can just click on demo database and it'll basically give you this data here, and you can just play around with the existing data that everyone sort of plays with. Okay, or you can create your own free trial. Okay, thank you.